implemented. That was okay. So
Yeah.
no, the
So
issue now.
prior
Okay,
to, yeah. So
I'm sorry, Ame.
yes,
Right. The way we are testing is right. You publish your data set to the dev and you refreshed.
yes,
So you refreshed and that one, and then that the whatever you're seeing in the workspace in the dev report workspace is matching with your Snowflake query, right?
this GL part only, not SL part.
No, no.
Uh, okay, so Venu, just one second. I'll explain you and then okay.
Which one you
So
ran just now? Okay, no, no, no. I'm a bit confused now. Like, okay,
Venu, like
leave
what we
your
are
local
trying.
file. No, no. Don't look for local file. Just don't look for local. I only
Okay.
wanted, I only want the report in the workspace, right?
Uh-huh.
Development workspace. Go to the development workspace.
Okay. If we go
This,
to
this
development,
no,
dev
no.
finance.
Yeah, the one you opened is not that one. Reconciliation one is not the dev one. No, no, no. The one on the next tab.
This one.
No, no, no. The next tab on. Okay, okay. No, no. Can you open the substantiation dashboard in the development workspace?
Okay. Just a second.
Substantiation, right?
Substantiation. But Venu, this is pointing to a different a data set.
No.
But for this testing, like what I did, I created one data set which is like DS SAP GL Recon Mahesh. This copy which Mahesh provided. So basically, the clean price, dirty price we have not implemented. Only thing, first thing we are trying to do is like reconcile our this data set to match it with what we have in UAT, the one which is deployed in UAT, right? This data we are trying to match on our local dataset version.
No, no, no. Why do you need to worry about the local copy? You need to. Okay. So.
The reason is like, yeah, I'll explain the reason as well. The reason is like what Mahesh said, like the one the clean this the solution which we will be adding for clean price dirty price may cause the Cartesian joins. So
Yeah, yeah. It
prior to
was.
that, you verify, you create a data set which is identical to our what we have in the UAT, and then you add your changes and then re-verify the numbers so that we are sure that it is not impacting or it is not creating any issues in it will not create any issues in once it is deployed. So that what we are trying to do, and for that we are trying to create an identical copy of what we have in UAT version, like this UAT report in UAT finance. So these numbers should tie back. So earlier, like before we connected earlier, this SL numbers were matching, okay, and on this local only, okay, in this dashboard itself it was matching, and as you asked, like we cannot like instead of refreshing it locally, you publish to dev workspace. I published this SAP GL Recon Mahesh to dev finance. Over there I refreshed it, and post that refresh, this is like the dashboard report. I am pointing to that data set, that new data set, and in there now that GL is matching, as you said, like that GL is considering the data from 31st March onwards. So
Yeah,
this
yeah. The
GL tied back, but
GL.
this SL, yeah, SL got like SL earlier it was matching, but now it is not matching. So we just want like whether should there is the we need to consider or update any of the parameter date it is like an issue with the date parameters only, but only thing is like what we should be considering, that is like the issue like question over here now, you know.
Okay. If you want, check here, right? If you want, check. So you wanted to. Okay. Why you are trying to create the more confused way working here? The best
Uh-huh.
thing is like you can. You can also push this as a different version into the development. You don't need to replace DS SAP GL Recon in the development for Dev Finance Workspace. You can save as a different name.
Yeah, I have saved this as Mahesh. Like if you see,
Yeah. You
DS
can
GL
save it
Recon
as a
Mahesh.
test report or something, and then you publish and see there. So okay, when you say here, the start date you started with 3:30 and you updated with the range end 85 and your okay no is it something what is these ones
Means
3:30
like
3:30 range end supposed to be 7:31 if you are checking for 7:31 or even like the current date is fine but custom start date should be 7:31 right here.
okay.
Custom
Yes,
start date.
we I did 7:31, but it was not matching. And when I traversed through these formulas, like how it is being
Okay.
calculation. So over there, I saw like GL subledger is there. That part, one part in this SL calculation, and in that it is kind of like going 2 months back. So I thought like whether that is missing. So that's why I updated that date.
No, I think maybe you guys bit confused here. As simple thing. Okay. Can we go back to the development? Just leave. Don't think about your local copy. Leave it local copy.
Okay.
Now.
Okay. Yeah.
Don't think about local copy. Right. So you did something. You did published in the morning.
Yes.
Data set to the development. Right. So open the report here. GL to SL substantiation dashboard. No, there is there.
So that no, but that is not pointing to that data set. Vinu. The one which I published, na? This is the data set I published.
No. You don't. Okay. You after you published? Did you refresh it?
Yes.
Okay. So and this one is all okay. Go to settings. Yeah.
Yeah. In here as well.
Not settings. Not settings. Refresh history.
Oh. Okay. Refresh history.
Yeah. So that ran 12 minutes only. 8:27.
Yeah, and this was like the first refresh after the deployment, and it took around 43 minutes. It completed, and after this refresh, we got that GL matching, but SL was mismatched.
SL is mismatched. Okay. On this one, okay, you are saying that SAP GL Recon Mahesh dataset in the development, when you are connecting from your local report to this dataset, your SL is not matching.
Yes.
Okay. Go to settings. Parameters. Sorry, parameters. There. Yeah. Come down.
Over here, 7:31.
Yeah, 7:31, right? Custom start date is 7:31. Go to your Snowflake.
Snowflake. Okay.
So the LTD query, right? So this is what you ran. Okay. So when you okay. So the report. Okay. Go to your report locally, which you connected to the Mahesh. Dev Mahesh.
Yeah.
Is this report, right?
Yes.
Okay. So you are saying 1050 record SL LTD. Can you refresh here once?
Okay.
No. Go back. Sorry.
No, it seems to have been reconciled. Like it is 6308966312.74. Yeah, it is matching. When you know.
What is the change then?
Nothing. I don't know. Like I too, like prior calling you, I did that refresh. Like we did not even trigger anything. But I was refreshing, I was changing using another accounts, but it was not getting what do you say, like it was not getting match. But let's check for the second account.
Okay, still loading. Yeah. Okay. Right. Okay. How you guys doing the dirty price and that report? Yeah. Now
Yeah,
it is
I'll
updated. Yeah. It is
yeah,
updated. So
second one.
What you did,
Yes.
magic of it.
1055. 1055.
Yeah.
Yeah. Try that. Run that report.
Yeah,
That
it is
query in
matching.
the.
When I ran it, I ran this one as well. It is matching.
It is matching. Okay.
What some magic? I think it got scared by looking.
Maybe you
Yes.
guys maybe forgot refresh somewhere on the local file. Some I don't know, but yeah. It is.
No, like prior to our call, I remember, like I too thought, like I was refreshing it, but yeah, but it
So,
got
when
fixed now
one
since.
more question I have for the UAT. We got this date when like 7:31 for prod. What is the date when it got changed, or it's the old earlier date we were using the same one.
I think somewhere is 10 21 20
Yeah, earlier.
2023 something, right?
Yeah, earlier we used
Is
to.
that also changed?
No, that is I don't think so.
No,
It
no. When okay, sorry.
when don't think so. It got changed. We are still using this old one like 1023 2024.
Yeah, 23 something. 10 19 2023. I think.
Yes.
As I know. Yeah. 10 19 2023. That was
Yeah,
in
same.
production.
No change.
Okay.
Yeah, and I'll explain
Yeah.
the dirty price, clean
Sorry.
price. So we connect.
Okay, dirty price, Kamlesh, actually dirty and clean price data, from where it is coming? Just first tell me that.
Yeah. So, Binu, if you see my screen, so this is like the query which Rajesh provided. Okay, from line 300 till 307.
Line?
So it, yeah, the highlighted one. Should I highlight or
300, yeah,
remove?
yeah, left join, you got a call price of that query. So this is the new one. So, mm, yeah. So you updated this part of the native SQL of the GL
Import mode.
import mode.
Import mode and direct query also I updated. But what I did, Venu, is shall I share my screen? Ame? Is it?
It should, you see, Kamlesh, already I told you long time back, right? I mean, every time previously, if something you are changing on the fact table, it must be changed on all four fact tables, even the GL balance. If the GL balance is not having that value, you must placeholder for that, saying null value, so that it won't be Cartesian product.
Okay.
Yeah, that step maybe you missed.
Yeah, I updated only
Hmm.
tables for two tables.
To this
Yeah, no, yeah.
import table
GL
only.
balance and
GL
the
balance.
GL balance is
Yes,
the one.
import mode and direct query. For this one I did. So for all the four
And the
tables,
subledger table, and also
GL table.
to your GL balance table, you must update that query as well. So if there is no value for that one, then you update. Otherwise, if that also applies there, you also needs to apply that statement over there.
Okay. Yes, Venu. Okay, I'll try by looking at that. But Venu, here it was breaking because I have taken that as a direct column, and what I did
Which
is
one?
this one, the two columns which I add, right? 1 minute, I'm sharing.
Yeah, you can share. So that is yeah, that works. Data set is coming.
Just, I think my pivot is slow today. I'm not sure. Just let me know, guys, when you get change.
Not yet.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah,
sharing.
it's loading. Yeah.
So I think you added them as a part of the field parameters, right?
Yes, one test part I have added as a field parameter. Another part I have created that column into take. I've taken in that into measure and tried it when it is working
No, no,
fine.
no. You on this data set, each and every measure or dimension should be called from the field parameters, not
Yes, yes.
direct.
I created field parameter. I'll show it to you how I did it. So yeah, this is L1 dimension. Here I've created field parameter like this. I'll show it to you. Like this field parameters I have created, but I didn't bought this direct column like dirty underscore clean price. So again, I created one measure taking those columns as a max one. Then it was working fine. Like this I have taken max of subledger import mode d local price. I created one measure. In that measure again I bought this one into the dimension and set it. It was working fine, but when I do a direct column in the dimension, it is not working like that. So it is breaking. This is what we got it like
So
this.
are you fine now? I mean, like after this change.
Yeah, this change is fine, but I seriously
You
need to
see,
work
you
around.
see, are you not seeing that
Yeah.
the data is Cartesian product
Yeah,
already
Cartesian
you're
product.
seeing,
Why Venu? Because here I didn't here directly without creating a measure. I call this column. I'll show you. I call this column directly like this Venu, without creating a measure like this. Direct column I created, and
right?
then this issue has arrived. After that, what I thought was instead of creating this one, I go and create in a measure. I thought even I tried that one as well. I'll try to show it to you what I am trying to tell you. In the recon we have that measure, right? We have a measure column recon where we'll try to update here measures.recon. In this one, here only I try to change this one like clean price, dirty price, and
No,
clean price. So this was
no.
test two. So I I created multiple local, and then again I tried to test. So in my process, this one I got it. I got it is working fine for this one prod recon, like creating a measure for this D local price, and it is not breaking. So tomorrow, what I'll try to do is all the four fact tables which we have right. I'll try to add not. I have added only in two
No,
tables.
no, 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 no. You are missing. You need to get the clear picture from the Hans. So
Okay.
what actually you wanted to see? You wanted to see as the that as a measure,
Okay.
or that as a specific L3 column.
No, no. Yes, yes. We what he said, right? When he doesn't, you don't want. He want this in the numeric column. That's it. Like how we have the agreement page, like agreement subtype, how we have in the text format. Like this only he want like the numeric, like 0.44, 0.36, and things like that. He doesn't want to change this one or this total. He is least bothered. So for this particular account, say suppose for this account unknown, here so say suppose I'll try to drag this one little bit. Right left side. So if I take it here, right, like minus 4.27, if there is some value with the D and dirty price and clean price, he'll try to validate like this. He wants it seems. So he doesn't want total. He
You
wants
you must not add that into the measures.
correct.
That's not going to work.
Yeah. So I didn't add that measure. Which one? This.
No, no, no. You can't add that dirty price and clean price into the measures.
Yeah.
It's actually that you can show them as a dimension field only.
Correct. Correct. So this is working fine now. Which this one, this as a dirt which I created measure. But
Okay.
tomorrow,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
yeah, tomorrow what
Mhm.
I'll try to do is before I'll try to again validate by taking by adding this column, the ones which Amish showed us, right, the query which Rajesh gave us. I'll try to add that in the four tables and try to check once. Is that
Yeah,
working?
yeah.
That should work, right? Because the same procedure we followed for bank FT. You made me add those four. Made me add those all the entities as well as the few data source like MS Dynamics and SAP, as well as one more thing, right? So like this, you want me to add it to all the fact tables and check and then try to create this clean price and dirty price so that it don't create a cartilage, right? Like it won't create another. It doesn't disturb the model. You mean, right?
Yeah, I think you try you when you try first with the GL measures only.
Okay.
Uh, if that works, the GL measures. What you are when I say GL measures, are you know what you need to choose on the dashboard?
GL measures
SL measures only. SL measures
SL
only.
measures only. In that dashboard, we need to select only for GL SL value where we try to create that measure, right? Where we add those four columns like K, L, M, N,
No,
N.
no, no. Go to report.
Okay. Which report? This one? The GL you want?
Visualization. I think on this visual also fine.
Yeah, this visual it works.
Okay, measures to display, right? Measures to display.
Yeah,
Open that slicer.
measures to display.
Okay, measures two and on the other. Measures two. That's
It
one.
is
That
there.
one.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Open.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. You see, like choose only SL related measures first.
Okay.
Don't bring the GL or difference. Only bring US equivalent balance SL and TC ending balance SL.
Okay, TCL. Okay. Control and click on TCSL balance. Yes, when both it is here.
Okay. So you, I think if you bring the dirty price and clean price now from the level fees to display,
Yes, it is there when. See here.
so but you are not seeing any value, right?
Yeah, yeah, because for that particular data there might be no value, is what. See here
I
we
mean, like you need to, which one has the value there?
here we can see, right, few values are there.
Is that the right value for that account?
That we need to again check it. That's what we need to connect with, like what is my understanding here, if there is data is unknown like this, right, for unknown unknowns, we are not able to see the 00 here in that clean price and dirty price is what I investigated. So if we see some values like here, right, like collateral, non-collateral, post, then we can see the value. So there, then I assume that stating that it is unknown, that's the reason there is no clean price, dirty price I can see, and I push it with a confident. I push this to dev. Then this incident happened. So
No, no, no. I saw the development. What it was breaking. It was already doing the Cartesian product, and it was breaking everything, right?
yes, yes, So this
Yeah.
I created, instead of pushing this one. I was on leave, technically sick leave. I just set this recon to the to AMA, and it was my fault. Instead of one, I gave this one. Instead of giving this one, I gave the other one. That's the reason this happened. So three different data sets I tested, like create adding in measure, it failed. Adding it in the directly adding it in the dimension, it failed. Then again I created measure and it is working fine. So this we will try to test it. Like now we got the, with the help of you, we got the local one, right? So we'll try to put the same thing in the dirty clean price, and we'll try to test around with the multiple options. Not only this data source, we'll try to check with other data source. And what I'll try to do is, as you mentioned, to add the this whatever the query which Rajesh has given us, right? I'll try to add it in all the fact tables, and we'll try to check once when
Then the first thing you need to know is you need to run the queries in the Snowflake.
Snowflake.
After whatever the Rajesh given you, that Snowflake query,
Mm-hmm.
is it working or not? First step to work
Yeah, yeah,
is
working. It was working.
yeah, work
I'll show
for
you.
those three sequels like the GL balance, subledger balance table, and the SL table
Mm-hmm.
query. Check are you getting the right expected values there. Then only you try to update the data set and try to get from there.
Okay.
So I mean, like if you don't do the proper Snowflake query way testing, then it will be difficult. It always going to break for you.
Okay.
So you don't need to confuse it. If you like work for like 10 days, you're supposed to know in this data set. It's not complicated.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. So you need to understand the steps how
Yes.
to debug your code.
Yeah. Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
The thing is, I try to copy that query which Rajesh has given us, the SQL query, and try to run it in Snowflake first. So yesterday only I did.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Try to get run that working in Snowflake.
Yes, yes, it
Then
runs.
once you get right there, then try to update that same in the data set.
Yes, yes, it was working fine, no problem with that. I tried it.
Okay. Yeah, yeah. Try like the way whatever you're thinking on the data set
Okay.
updates.
Yeah.
Try to do that.
Okay.
and try to, I think, make sure, I think you don't need to try to create like the way you guys are doing now, right? Save as a different data set name in development workspace
Okay.
and try to refresh there for full data.
Yeah.
So then it will be easy for you to debug.
Yes. Yes.
Instead of directly pushing into UAT, then if it breaks,
Yes.
this one they always tested the UAT, right?
Yes.
So make sure
Yes.
like
Yeah.
try to do in the development itself.
Okay. Got it, Venu. Yeah.
Yeah, right.
Sure,
Okay.
Venu. Thank you, Venu. Thanks for your time.
Right. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much. कमलेश,
हाँ ब्रो. ब्रो आप म्यूट में चले.
हाँ मैं,
हाँ
हेलो, आ रहा है आवाज अभी? हेलो,
हाँ ब्रो, आ रहा ब्रो, आ रहा ब्रो.
समझ गया क्या इसे?
अरे ब्रो क्या ऐसा करा ब्रो, डायरेक्ट रिफ्रेश मारते हो गया ब्रो, क्या बोल रहा था, इतना इजी था क्या ब्रो? एक बार स्क्रीन शेयर करना ब्रो. ब्रो मेरे को
हाँ नहीं,
समझ
अभी
नहीं हो
मैं,
रहा ब्रो, वो हो रहा करेक्ट है क्या, फिर से अपन गलत करे क्या ब्रो?
नहीं नहीं, अभी ये तो सिर्फ अपना ये रिप्लिकेट हो गया है,
हाँ
अभी
ब्रो
वो
वही
तुम्हारे
तो.
चेंजेस इसमें डालने के बाकी है अभी।
हाँ हाँ वो करेंगे ब्रो, उसका प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. पहले यही यही अपन को कितना सताया ब्रो, पहले बात.
हाँ, यस यस, बट ठीक है, अभी हो गया मैच। मैं क्या करता हूँ,
काम एक बार स्क्रीन शेयर
इसको
करके
सेव
बोलो ब्रो,
करके,
एक बार देखा है ब्रो. कल कनेक्ट होंगे ब्रो, कल कनेक्ट होके उसका पूरा मॉर्निंग टाइम करके 9 o'clock तक अपडेट देंगे मैं इसको, इसका क्या है सीन. तब तक मैं वो 4
हम्म।
कर दूंगा क्या है उसका. एक बार स्क्रीन शेयर करके बोलो ना ब्रो, क्या क्या किया उन्हें, कि अपन